Consequent upon the deluge that hit an alarming number of communities early last month, several families were thrown out from their homes and many of their farms and worship places were destroyed. Their only option was to run to the holding centers provided by the state government until the flood recedes and then return to their families. Some of the persons affected by the flood and officers of Red Cross who spoke to the ABS commended the state government for its prompt response to their plight. They, however, listed some of their challenges in the holding centers.
Get challenges medical facilities. Okay.
Because ambulance never had
Thank you. The principal of the school, Reverend Father Anthony Okoye, who disclosed that the school has been providing academic opportunities for the affected children of primary and secondary school age, also shared his experience while catering for the needs of the center.
So most of them, they really think about how they've lost what they planted, but how to pay back those loans. How to pay back most of them due to that depression. Some of, like the case we had today, we had a casualty today. Somebody died in the camp, and that depression we have resorted to that.
However, it seemed a ray of hope enveloped the camp when the traditional ruler of Aguleri, Ezekrisovi Digo, and his cabinet arrived at the camp to provide food items to assuage their suffering, which is in line with calls by government to well-meaning individuals and organizations to provide necessary assistance to complement government efforts. Eze Digo, while assuring of the support of the community and government, suggested for early farming in flood-prone areas to ensure harvesting before the times of flood.
I decided with my cabinet who are available to come and let them know that we are with them, especially as it's almost true that they will soon go. I didn't start planting in time, not knowing that it will meet us. So I'm advising that immediately after Christmas, even they should not wait. Once the place is there, they should start immediately to, so that before you say close to rainy season, you already harvested. They know what I'm talking about.
While suggesting for better ways to mitigate the effects of the flood, the chairman of Aguleri Royal Cabinet, Chief Dominic Ndife, called for the training of residents of flood-prone areas of the state in early warning systems and skills to manage the effects of the flood. He said this will help villagers to initiate interventions when need arises. Other analysts harped on the need to inculcate the services of psychotherapists to take care of the psychological needs of the people at the holding centers and as well increase the number of other health workers to provide faster access to medical services for the residents of the holding centers. From Aguleri, Anambra East Local Government Area, this is David Obokwase reporting for ABS News.